Namaskar Internet. It was time to head back to Bombay, which is always a mixed feeling because as much as I love to get back to my family, friends and my music, it also means that the Moto trip out here at the Thar desert is coming to an end. But we are not going to go down on a downer. We took the exit through the Bhuri region, and if you are coming out of Jaisalmer back down to Bombay, you must try this out. But just remember to tell your mates that this is the long scenic route. I did that mistake. Okay, a photo op. Let's stop, take some pictures with the sand dunes and say hi to the local riders. I so wish we adults could stay as curious as the young ones are.
Photo lo.
Aashi is never complaining about the attention she receives. She's more than happy with it.
हो गया फोटो आया बराबर आया अच्छा फोटो एक गांव का क्या नाम है कैसा संगतला हाँ जी
Okay, that might help him to say it clearly. Let's try again.
कैसा संगतला धीरे बोलो थोड़ा कैसा संगतला कैसा संगतला
Okay, I didn't get that. Did you?
आप कौन से गांव के हम तो जैसलमेर से आ रहे हैं जैसलमेर से आगे निकलेंगे गांधीनगर गांधीनगर गुजरात हाँ बाड़मेर से नीचे निकलेगा ना ये रास्ता
Okay, Kappu is in a hurry again. But really, this little detour was the prettiest part of Rajasthan that I have ever seen when it comes to the desert sections. Bhuri is the name. This is also, I think, a part of a larger desert national park. There are camps here and not as many visitors here as the some dunes attract. So I would definitely recommend this route. I'm going to go back here for sure, but maybe with my lighter X-Pulse, maybe not with Aashi. Get more time in the sand, get to learn it all better, and then maybe rip it. That is Mehul capturing the beauty of his new acquisition. This is his first big ride with the Africa Twin. And when you're on an ADV bike, well, the adventure comes to you. This route has a lot of places where the sand dunes move onto the road. In fact, in some places they were deep enough for me not to be comfortable if I wasn't driving a 4x4. But right now I'm in a 1x2 and I'm totally comfy with it. Oh man, that is a lot of sand to be on the road. But here we are. Okay, let's take in the scenes and wait for the music. I just hope all the others who are coming behind are not too pissed off with my choice. I mean, you're on an adventure trip. The adventure shouldn't end, right?
ये रोड पता था या घुस गए हम लोग ये घुस गए हम लोग चलो सही है
चलो सही है is the right attitude, Ganesh.
Because I didn't want to go from the main highway. It's damn boring.
When in doubt, point. Choose any random direction and point.
I think it's the straight highway.
Now that I've made the claim, let me quickly have a look at my GPS on the phone and see if there's any truth to it. You know what? Sometimes believing in the lies make them true. Just check out this surface. This again was the best tarmac that we've ridden on. In this entire trip, the road was beautifully made. Where was it going? Where was it coming from? I have no idea and I don't care.
ये जो दिन है ये कट जाएगा जो मुश्किल है ये भी कट जाएगी ये जो दिन है ये कट जाएगी.
Now you can zip all you want, but out here in India we have an indigenous way of keeping your speed in check.
ये भी कट जाएगी.
And just as Kapoor's fuel tank was about to give up on him, we found the petrol bunk. It was perfect. Have you noticed how the color scheme of this petrol bunk matches with Aashi and my helmet? It's pretty cool. Also, just look at how clean this place is. I love it when they keep places clean like this. Group huddle. That can't be good, man. Okay, let's hear what they have to say.
Great, hitting the highway now. Okay.
How you lead?
About 16-17 kilometers is the highway from here.
I know.
Okay.
You lead Barmer.
Barmer is about 80 kilometers from here.
You have to go from the Barmer highway only. There is no other route.
No, there is one more which we spoke to the local.
Actually, what we will do is रामसर वाला हाईवे पकड़ के हम लोग चलना है.
चलो, आप लीड करो.
I don't think they'll be choosing to ride with me ever again.
तय कर चुके हैं हजारों मीलों का सफर.
The other thing I love is when the big trucks are nice enough to give you a pass. I always make it a point to raise my hand and say thanks. Hey, these guys are so sweet, waiting for me. Oh, maybe not. I think they are stuck behind that truck.
फिर भी जाने क्यों कुछ याद
See, what a sweet bus driver.
भुला ना सके.
But in all honesty, there are few things that give me so much pleasure as being footloose and fancy free on my motorcycle, on my Aashi.
ये जो गम है कुछ कम हो जाएगा.
I mean, just look at those skies.
ये संभल जाएगा.
So many of us on this road called life, choosing different ways to get around, moving from one place to the other in so many different parts of the world, all across this planet. I think it is this endeavor to have constantly something to look forward to always have a dream that you are yet to fulfill. That is what makes the human life really, really worth living. Yeah, sure, sometimes we get in each other's way. That's okay. That's part of the deal. Make your way through and carry on. Because usually once things are bad, they only get better. Oh look, a rider in the true sense. Well, this brings us to the end of this series. I do hope you enjoyed the ride. This is Vipin Mishra saying bye for now. I'm going to see you soon on the next one. Till then, ride hard, ride safe.